This is pretty right here. You got all the pines, big old tall trees. Check that spot out. That is a good spot to fish. I wonder if I can use what's left of the battery to see what is down there. I have to be quick though, because it dies and like, nope, yep, dang it. Okay, so there's an opening right there, this spot here. Let's keep on going a little bit. So I really like this spot with this big old tree. I just put the paddle down and almost lost the paddle. So I'm gonna try here for a little bit. I'll see if I can get up on the bank. It might be too deep. I don't see much I could, oh yeah, I guess I could tie my rope onto here, make me more stable. Let's see, put that right there. And now I like to see if I can get my paddle any sort of mud. It doesn't seem like it's very muddy right here. I need to get a stake, like a stake thing to do this. That'd work perfect. They're only 40 bucks. Oh yeah. That plus this, we should be alright. Alright, here we are. Gonna try some fishing right here. So I got some of the shad. I'm gonna use its head on this rod. Still got some of that old bait on there. Right there. I think I'm gonna throw this one kind of by that brush. Let's see. That'll work. Right there. And I got a bait clicker on that rod. So this one has a demon dragon. I threw a couple pieces of cut bait on it. That'll work. Here we go. Oh man.
This episode is brought to you by Ray-Ban Stories, the first generation of smart glasses from Ray-Ban and Facebook.
Oh no. Oh no. Here we go. Got him. Ugh. That's a big gar. Maybe not. That might be a catfish. doing head shapes like a catfish. Oh, come on. Don't get stuck in nothing now. Let me turn this off. Look at them head shakes. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. He got stuck in something. Alright, there we go. Nope, he just got stuck. Dang it, there he goes. Let him swim out of it. It looks like it might be wrapped around something. Get him out of it. Get him out of it. Oh, there we go. Got it. Oh, he's running. Oh, look at that catfish. Oh, yeah. Look at that blue, baby. Look at that blue. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There we go. There we go. About a, what, 8-pound blue or something? He freaking ran for it. I was sure that was a gar. Oh, yeah. There we go. Look at that blue. Heck yeah. Let me get this hook out of him. So here we go. That's a good blue to start the morning off right there. I'd say it was about 8 pounds, 10 pounds, something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw him back. There we go. Got him. Feels like another catfish. Whoa. Oh yeah, another one. Heck yeah. I can probably flip this one up. Whoa. There we go. Heck yeah. Little 2-pounder or so. Heck yeah. Here we go. Alright, let's let this guy go. Hey look, there's a shoe. There you go, buddy. Hasta la vista. Alright, so it seems like the only thing that's getting hit is this dang demon dragon. Throw it out again. Another catfish. There we go. Another good blue. Oh, get him past that. Ski him over here. Whoa. Heck yeah. This is awesome, man. I love this. Right in the corner. Oh yeah. These are some good fighting blues too. I've never had them run like that. I'm used to deep water and they just pound, go down. Listen to that guy. Heck yeah. Get this hook out of this guy. Oh, calm down, calm down. There we go. Third blue of the day. Only 10 o'clock. You can't ask for a better morning than this. There's been no little pecks from little fish. Just bam! Big old bites from good old catfish. Here we go, got one pulling. Yep. Got him. There we go. Oh, a little tiny one. Look at that. Right when I said I'm not getting bites from little dinks and stuff, I get a little dink. Calm down there, buddy. Thank you for letting me keep my bait. Little bitty guy. I moved this rod over here since I'm getting so many bites, and look at that. Uh-oh. Whoa. Yep, he's there. Oh, but my reel ain't there. Smaller guy. Oh, don't get hung up in there. Yeah, it's time to buy a new reel. This is just one of them Walmart ones. That one was getting a bite too. Oh, calm down there, buddy. There we go. What is that? A little blue? I think it's a little blue. Looks like a blue's tail. It's hard to tell when they're small. See you, buddy. So I've given this spot a minute. I'm going to go ahead and go back to that turn over that way, back towards the dam, and try that. I've been sitting here about an hour with no more bites. So I'm going to head that way. Alright, so we're here at the new spot. That's the one me and Justin went to. I caught shad here, so let's see if I can catch some more. I need bait really bad. There's a tree there and a tree here. And a lay down right over there. Usually drum, gar, catfish, everything right here. So we'll see. I see a turtle peeking over at me. What's up, dude? Here we go. Got something hooked up. Catfish. If I don't get it hung up. Uh-oh. Oh, man. That's not good. Look at these deer. Holy crap. Oh, look at the little baby. What in the world? So guys, I ended up catching 3 catfish and a carp in the net. But I haven't gotten any more bites in, shoot, 4 hours. Something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it all up. Maybe fish on the way back. We'll see if we get anything. I'll be back if so. But I'm gonna pack up and head out to the dam. Peace, everybody.